Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhurima Bhaumik. Let us continue solving the question paper of IIT JAM Biotechnology. We are in question number 16. The question is, which one of the following animal viruses contains double-stranded RNA as a genetic material? Options, number 1 is reovirus, number 2 is influenza virus, number 3 is poliovirus, and number 4 is Rous sarcoma virus. Now, we already know that genetic material in almost all the living organism is the DNA, which is double-stranded, except the virus. In case of the virus, RNA is the genetic material, not the DNA. So what we have to find out, we have to find out of these four options, which virus is having double-stranded RNA. That is our answer. Now, first of all, let us see option number 4, Rous sarcoma virus. Now, this virus is basically having a single-stranded RNA. Okay. So the RNA is single-stranded. It is around 9.5 kilobase in length. Okay. So as it is a single-stranded RNA, option 4 is not our answer. Right? Let us go to the third option, poliovirus. Poliovirus is also a single-stranded RNA. Okay. It is basically a positive sense RNA. Okay. And it is around 7.2 to 7.5 kilobase in length. It's a single-stranded RNA. It's not our answer. Influenza virus, if you take, it is also a single-stranded RNA. Okay, this is also a single-stranded RNA. It is a negative sense RNA. So basically, it has to be converted into positive sense RNA before it is before it is going for protein synthesis. Okay, so it is converted to positive sense RNA by viral RNA dependent RNA polymerase. After that, it can proceed towards the protein synthesis. Okay, but that is a different thing. Here we have to find whether it is single-stranded or double-stranded. So we got it. It is single-stranded. So the option is wrong. Only one option is left, and that is the correct one, because reovirus, it is a double-stranded RNA. Okay, so reovirus is a double-stranded RNA. It is having actually double-stranded RNA as their genetic material. It contains 10 to 12 segments of linear double-stranded RNA. So this is the correct option. Okay. So what was the question basically? Which one of the following animal virus contain double-stranded RNA as a genetic material? The answer is reovirus, option number 1. It is having a double-stranded RNA. Okay. Now let us go to the question number 18. Bacterial conjugation. Then comes the option. Option number 1 requires direct contact between two bacterial cells through pilus, involves the transfer of genetic material from virus to bacteria, occurs through the uptake of free DNA from environment, and the fourth option is a form of asexual reproduction. Now, to answer this question, it is very important that we understand what is bacterial conjugation. So bacterial conjugation means there is a transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to other bacterial cell through contact. Okay. So suppose there is a bacterial cell. Okay, this is question number 18. Okay, so there is a bacterial cell. There is one more bacterial cell, right? So this bacterial cell will have their chromosome, right? The other one is also having chromosome. Okay. Now this bacterial cell, the first one, is having F factor or F plasmid. Two strands are there. Okay. So as it is having the plasmid or F factor, it is F plus cell. And it is the donor cell. Donor bacterial cell. This is not having, it is F minus cell. It is the recipient cell. Okay. This is the donor cell. Now what will happen from the F plus cell, it will form a sex pilus. Okay. So that the two bacterial cell will come in contact with each other. So from this sex pilus, there will be formation of a conjugation tube. Okay, so as the conjugation tube is formed between the donor cell and the recipient cell, so there is a direct contact, and this plasmid F plus factor will be broken down here. Okay, outer strand at the origin of replication. So here it is broken at the origin of replication. So as it is broken, there is a 5' end, and this 5' end will be starting moving towards the recipient cell. So ultimately what will happen, here there will be one strand. Okay, let me show it here only. Okay, so ultimately after the outer strand moves through the 5' end, okay, there will be one strand here. That is the innermost strand will be here, and one strand, that is the outer strand, will move here. So this is the bacterial conjugation. Now let us go into the option. Option number 4. Bacterial conjugation is a form of asexual reproduction. It is not a true reproduction. So why we will say that it is a form of asexual reproduction? It is actually the genetic material which is going from one bacterial cell to the other bacterial cell. So in this case, option number 4 is telling that it is a form of asexual reproduction, as it is not a true reproduction. So this is a wrong option. Okay. Now, option number 3 occurs through the uptake of free DNA from the environment. We can see in the mechanism from where from the environment the DNA will come. It is not possible. Right here from one bacterial cell, that is donor cell, it is going to the recipient cell. That means option 3 is also wrong. Next, 2 involves the transfer of genetic material from virus to bacteria. No, it is between two bacterial cells. So this is also wrong. Okay, so what is left is option number 1. What is written here? Requires direct contact between two bacterial cells. You have seen that is occurring through pilus. That has occurred. So this is the correct option for question number 18. Bacterial conjugation requires direct contact between two bacterial cells through pilus. Okay, so this is question number 18. The next question we will be doing in our next video. Thank you.